What up, guys? It's your boy, the Amazing T-Dog, back in the gang. And today we are back with Drive Zone 2 Online. We're back with this bad boy and his red, whatever piece of junk it's called. It's not junk, you jackass. Alright, now look, I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. You take that back, motherfucker. Alright, look, I tell you what. No, you tell me what. Come on, let's go, come on. No, son, stop. Son, stop. Yeah, that's what I fucking thought. Let's do this. But your vehicle is stock. Hey, you don't have enough horsepower. Dad, look out! Oh my God! Truck would make a good stock truck. I don't want it to be stock. Well, I can't make it off-roading unless you want me to make it off-road. I'm paying for your bills. Woo-hoo! Whoa! Like this thing was built for this. What is this bullshit? I smell clutch. Don't worry. I got this. I will do some idiot drivers complications. Where the Son, come on. I don't know how to drive. You don't know how to drive. No. You probably don't need a big vehicle like this. No, I want a big vehicle like this. Please. No, I'm going to have to give you a smaller vehicle. No, please, Daddy. All right. This bill I'm paying is so damn expensive. I will do some idiot driver complications. However, in this case, I would not. I'll recommend doing this in the future. Yeah, let's do this. The fuck, dude? Watch his brake check. Fucking nigga. Fucking stupid ass. Really, dude? Really stupid ass. Yeehaw! So basically, really? These asshole drivers. So pissed off with these goddamn drivers. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Urgh. Wow, they always try to piss me off. Move, come on, move. Really? I need to get back on the main road. Oh, no. Oh. Come on, let's go. Whoa. I'm not trying to flip this thing, but... This thing is brand new, but... I'm expecting you to take good care of this. Alright. So basically that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed, if you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe. And new engine.
Wow, you upgraded my engine.
Yep, sure did.